If you've been locked out of your Uber account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. If you can't access the app, you can also visit the Uber website on a browser. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Step 3. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your email or phone number, check your inbox or SMS for password reset link or code sent by Uber. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link or enter the code provided in the message. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a new password that meets Uber's security requirements. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Return to the Uber app or website and log in using your email or phone number along with the new password you just created. Ensure that you can access your account without issues. Once you've completed these steps, you should have successfully reset your login credentials and regained access to your Uber account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.